How did DNA evidence affect the 1990s O.J. Simpson trial? Imagine a case that captured the entire nation's attention and changed how we think about crime solving forever. That's what happened with the trial of O.J. Simpson. During the 1990s, DNA evidence was still a new tool in the courtroom. It was the first time many people saw how science could help solve crimes. The prosecutors brought in a lot of DNA evidence that linked Simpson to the crime scene. They showed blood drops matching his DNA found near the victims and on a glove at his house. Over 9 weeks, they presented more than 100 pieces of DNA evidence. All of it was tested in different labs and came back consistent, making a strong scientific case against Simpson. But the defense team wasn't convinced. They argued that the DNA evidence might have been contaminated or even planted. They pointed out that some samples were stored in plastic bags that could cause DNA to degrade. They also accused the police of misconduct, suggesting that evidence was mishandled or manipulated. The most famous part was the bloody glove. The prosecution claimed it belonged to Simpson, but the defense argued it didn't fit his hand. They suggested the glove was planted to frame him. At that time, many jurors and the public didn't fully understand DNA science. The defense's strategy was to cast doubt on how the evidence was collected and handled, rather than dispute the science itself. This approach worked with the jury, who ultimately found Simpson not guilty. The trial became a cultural moment, showing how forensic science was becoming a part of everyday life. It also highlighted issues of race, police conduct, and justice that still echo today. This case helped shape how DNA evidence is used in court. It showed that even powerful scientific evidence could be challenged if procedures aren't followed carefully. After the trial, laws and protocols for collecting and storing DNA samples were improved. The trial also made the public more aware of the strengths and weaknesses of forensic science. It was a defining event of the 1990s, blending science, media, and social issues into a moment that changed criminal justice forever.